This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group. And boy, what is causing the market to have this grind back up now after, the sell-off that we saw last week? What is the market driver? Well, today it's financials. We're seeing the likes of Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, really kind of take off here. Maybe it's on some expected stimulus. Maybe it's on, the expected rise GDP here. But whatever it is, the financials really driving the market. That and also an unwind of the fear trade that we saw last week and even just before that. We also saw the 10-year bottom last week and now up around 220. So all those things considered here, that's really the force behind the market here. Now, the September blues, everybody talks about the September blues being one of the worst market months of the year. Well, maybe not. Maybe not so much here. Last week's S&P declined down to that 2450 level. The retest there of the 50-day moving average and the fact that it held and then bounced is a major, major bullish event for the S&P market here. I'm not saying that we're having a major breakout to the upside, but this rally that we've had, barring any sort of geopolitical, event here, this rally should hold steadily in place. That was just phenomenal that we held right at that support level. We are now up above last week's close. New support now is up to 2475. 2500, which is just right around the corner, really is not any sort of resistance. It's more just a psychological barrier than anything else. This Friday, major option expiration in the E-mini complex here. The September expiration. The option market is suggesting a move in the S&P between now and Friday of about $13. Futures and option contracts, very, very brisk volume, very heavy volume going into this expiration. As a matter of fact, yesterday over 700,000 E-mini contracts traded. Largest ones, and they're now in the money, the 2490 calls traded huge size yesterday. We'll have to keep an eye out for those, but again, those are in the money. But let's see what happens with the market. Let's see if we get this continued kind of grind higher now. It wasn't so much a grind over the last few days, but now that's what I expect to really hit the 2500 level and above. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.